Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by narrowing what you need. Choose runtime, quality, and the exact scene type. Once done, compile keywords, film title, character name, song line, year, and language to expand search hits. Next, make sure you have access to likely sources: YouTube for uploads, Vimeo official studio channels, plus any streaming accounts you subscribe to. You'll save time if you set folder paths now. This way, when you download or capture, files land where your editor expects them. You should search with those specific keywords and apply filters, duration, upload date, and subtitles to surface full scenes rather than clips. If a direct download exists, grab the highest quality file. Otherwise, use a reliable screen recorder that captures system audio and avoids DRM-protected streams. Once captured, check resolution and frame rate. Mismatched specs cause jitter in edits. If the scene has quick cuts or music, record a couple of takes to ensure. You now import footage, create a timeline matching the clip's frame rate, and trim to the intended beats. Make color corrections so cuts feel seamless. Once you finish, export using H.264 or H.265 with a bitrate that preserves motion. Use proxies during heavy 4K work to keep edits responsive. If you encounter audio drift, pixelation, or stutter, recapture at a higher bitrate or switch capture software. Most problems stem from wrong frame rate conversion or low capture settings.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.